So, why is this one of the most important discussions? AI ethics. Why is it one of the most important discussions to have right now as heart leaders?
We're in the foundation phase. It's a lot harder to scale back what's already in motion than it is to generate scale from a solid foundation. When there is scale built on something that has the ability to tumble or completely falter, not only will it not scale long term, but any type of clawing back is extremely, extremely difficult. I could, even just from a systematic standpoint, but also even from the psychological impact or the social impact or the economic impact on a grand scale could be massive. And so if we have these conversations and this understanding now, and while in the foundation phase, before we've done mass scale, then it will help us choose as best as we can. Again, not from a place of perfection, not from a place of we should already know these things. We're going to make mistakes. That's part of evolution. That's part of movement forward. And we have to be willing to accept that we're going to make mistakes and then own them when they occur. But if we just forge forward without taking the time to have these discussions, then we're doing it intentionally. And that in and of itself is a bias I would offer that's no longer serving, because it's a bias of not desiring to be wrong, which is an impossible bias to hold. But that's one that many people individually and collectively hold, is this fear of being wrong, because it puts a huge hit on the ego. And that's an individual ego, and that's a collective ego. And I'm going to keep saying those things. I know you are too, because one builds on the other. It is a cycle. It is a two-way street with ego, or with everything, individually and collectively and individually, and back and forth and back and forth. But ego plays a massive part. And that is a huge bias that many, many people struggle with. And I'm saying it myself. It's one that I consistently have to monitor and be aware of at so many different levels. So it's not from my high horse or anything like that. I don't even have a horse. There is no horse involved. It is just simply a fact of something that I navigate every single day, and that others, we all navigate every day. It's the level of awareness and intentionality behind the navigation of it that we need to bring forward. And then what tools and what questions are we asking to help us determine, and what action steps are we willing to take that give us the space to move forward with some contingency of mistake, so that we're not holding ourselves to a standard that we can never fulfill.